Cancer is a disease that affects millions of people all over the world. But did you know that the food we eat can help stop or slow down cancer? People often talk about berries, fatty fish, walnuts, and other items as cancer-fighting foods. It means they contain nutrients that may lower the risk of developing cancer. No foods protect people against cancer completely, but some foods contain nutrients that may help reduce the risk. It is worth noting that polyphenols, resveratrol, vitamin C, and other nutrients are present in many plant-based foods. Consuming a varied diet that includes the items mentioned below may help keep a person healthy and reduce their risk of cancer. In today's video, we'll delve into the top 10 anti-cancer foods that contain powerful compounds which fight against cancer cells. So, let's jump right in and watch these scientifically proven foods that lower the risk of cancer. Number 1. Apples. Apples contain polyphenols that have promising anti-cancer properties. Polyphenols are plant-based compounds that may prevent inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and infections. Some research suggests that polyphenols may modulate certain processes that can lead to cancer development. One 2018 study suggests that apple floridan significantly inhibits the growth of breast cancer cells while not affecting healthy cells. This polyphenol inhibits a protein called glucose transporter 2, GLUT2, which plays a role in advanced stage cell growth in certain types of cancer. Number 2. Walnuts. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, all nuts appear to have cancer-preventing properties. But scientists have studied walnuts more than other types. Walnuts contain a substance called pedunculogen, which the body metabolizes into urolithins. Urolithins are compounds that bind to estrogen receptors and may play a role in preventing breast cancer. In one animal study, mice receiving whole walnuts and walnut oil had higher levels of tumor-suppressing genes than the mice receiving vegetable oil. In 2019, females with breast cancer ate walnuts for 2 weeks between the date of their biopsy and the day of surgery. Researchers tested tumor tissue samples removed during surgery and compared them with the original biopsy results. They found signs that genetic changes had taken place, which could suggest the suppression of cancerous cell growth. Number 3. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Their antioxidant content may mean they have health benefits. One study shows that anthocyanin, a compound in blackberries, lowers biomarkers for colon cancer. Another study demonstrates that the anti-inflammatory effects of blueberries can prevent the growth of breast cancer tumors in mice. The authors of a 2016 research article suggest that the anthocyanins, flavonoids, and other antioxidants in berries may mean they can help prevent cancer or even reverse the process of early cell changes. There is also evidence they may help prevent or slow the development of various cancers, including breast cancer and cancers of the gastrointestinal tract. Number 4. Grapes. Resveratrol, an antioxidant in red grape skins, has shown promise as a tool for fighting cancer. Some scientists believe that, with further research, it could be harnessed as a cancer therapy. As well as resveratrol, grapes and grape seeds also contain the flavonols, phenolic acids, anthocyanins, and catechins nutrients, which have antioxidant and possibly cancer-fighting properties. Number 5. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, peas, and lentils, are high in fiber, which may help lower the risk of some types of cancer. One review shows a link between higher legume consumption and a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Another study examined the relationship between the intake of bean fiber and the risk of breast cancer. The study results indicated that people with diets high in bean fiber were 20% less likely to develop breast cancer than those who did not meet their daily fiber intake. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and anchovies, is rich in essential nutrients, such as vitamin B, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. One study found that people with diets high in freshwater fish had a 53% lower risk for colorectal cancer than those low in freshwater fish. Another study found that consuming fish oil later in life may be linked to a significantly lower risk for prostate cancer. Finally, A review of data for 68,109 people found that those who consumed fish oil supplements at least 4 times a week were 63% less likely to develop colon cancer than those who did not. Number 7. Carrots. Carrots contain several essential nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Carrots also contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which is responsible for the distinct orange color. Recent studies reveal that beta-carotene plays a vital role in supporting the immune system and may prevent certain types of cancer. One review has linked beta-carotene to a reduction in the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Another analysis shows that higher consumption of carrots results in a 26% lower risk of developing stomach cancer. Number 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, contain beneficial nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Cruciferous vegetables also contain sulforaphane, a plant compound with potential anti-cancer properties. One study shows that sulforaphane significantly inhibits cancer cell growth and stimulates cell death in colon cancer cells. Other research shows that sulforaphane in combination with genistein, a compound in soybeans, can significantly inhibit breast cancer tumor development and size. Sulforaphane also inhibits histone deacetylase, an enzyme with links to cancer development. One review suggests 3 to 5 servings of cruciferous vegetables per week may have cancer preventive effects. Number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice well known for its health-promoting properties. Curcumin, its active ingredient, is a chemical with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and even anti-cancer effects. One study looked at the effects of curcumin on 44 patients with lesions in the colon that could have become cancerous. After 30 days, 4 grams of curcumin daily reduced the number of lesions present by 40%. In a test tube study, curcumin was also found to decrease the spread of colon cancer cells by targeting a specific enzyme related to cancer growth. Another test tube study showed that curcumin helped kill off head and neck cancer cells. Curcumin has also been shown to be effective in slowing the growth of lung, breast and prostate cancer cells in other test tube studies. Number 10. Citrus fruits. Eating citrus fruits such as lemons, limes, grapefruits and oranges has been associated with a lower risk of cancer in some studies. One large study found that participants who ate a higher amount of citrus fruits had a lower risk of developing cancers of the digestive and upper respiratory tracts. A review looking at 9 studies also found that a greater intake of citrus fruits was linked to a reduced risk of pancreatic cancer. Finally, a review of 14 studies showed that a high intake, or at least 3 servings per week of citrus fruit, reduced the risk of stomach cancer by 28%. These studies suggest that including a few servings of citrus fruits in your diet each week may lower your risk of developing certain types of cancer. Supplements can also provide nutrients and antioxidants that may help prevent cancer by reducing oxidative stress, such as vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. However, it is important to remember that eating a balanced diet high in fresh fruits, vegetables, and good fats will benefit overall health. Always speak with a medical professional before starting a new medication or supplement regimen. Did you find this video informative? Tell us in the comments section because we'd love to hear from you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on future videos.